So today I have a package from Josh, which was a really nice surprise. I mean, he contacted me first on Instagram and asked if I was interested in a pipe he found. And I said, yeah, sure. And it was very, very generous of him to send this. I think it's really cool. This is Big Ben. Comes in its own little pouch, which is pretty neat. And I'll show you in just a second. I want to read the note first. It says, Dear Jeff, thanks for all the good videos. This is the pipe that I found. I hope you like it and you can use it. Keep the good videos coming. Thanks, Josh. And yes, I will definitely smoke out of this. I really, really like this design. So here's the reveal. Big Ben, made in Holland. Scoot this guy up. See, there's the bowl. And it's a little bent billiard. It's really, really cool. I like that it's a little short guy. I did clean it up. There's a little bit more char and stuff that was on the top. And it smells fantastic. God, it smells so good. I'm not sure what was smoked in this. I can see on the bottom here, if I zoom in, you get some more detail. So you can see Big Ben. This one is Barbados. I did look it up online. This is a number 641. And they have a bunch of different pipes. I'm not sure about when this was made, but they don't have this exact one listed on their website or anything anymore. So I can't wait to smoke this. This will be put on hold because first I'm going to be trying that new pipe tobacco soon with the other Peterson pipe. But after I try that, of course I'm sure I will enjoy the tobacco. I might go ahead and smoke it in this. But I thought that was really cool, Josh, so I wanted to make a quick video on it. Also ask anyone else out there if you happen to have a Big Ben, branded pipe. I think it's really neat. But it just fits in the hand nice. I think it looks good. Short little bent billiard. So yes, thank you so much, Josh. Really appreciate that. Very, very kind of you. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you for all the pipe people out there. So that's it for this one. It's a quick vid. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.